Hello friends, this video Trigonometry part 18 is brought to you by ExamFear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, you should have watched Trigonometry part 1 to part 17. Let's see equation of the form sin x plus minus sin y. So when you say cos x plus cos y, this becomes 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Similarly, cos x minus cos y is equal to minus, remember this minus, 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. When you say sin x plus y, sin x plus sin y, this becomes 2 into sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. And when you say sin x minus y, sin x minus sin y, this becomes 2 into cos x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. Again, here also you see it's very difficult to remember these formulas because cos of x plus cos of y, cos of x minus cos of y, sin of x plus sin of y, sin of x minus sin y, and all are different. Let's have a tip here again. We'll use the same tip. Sun needs boss support, so he wants some part to be done by sun, some part to be done by boss, where boss wants to do things alone, so we'll say boss of x, boss of y minus son of x, son of y. So here also you see when boss is asking for addition, boss of x plus boss of y. Since here both the actor is boss, so we'll have boss into boss. Here also in the second case we have boss minus boss. Minus is there. So that means both the work is done by son. So when I'm saying the request is initiated by boss, that means either work will be done by boss or work will be done by son. Both wants things to be done alone. So since boss is asking, this is plus, so the right side will have only boss component, cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. When again here also boss is asking, but it's a negative, so that means it's asking for the sun component. So it is sun x plus y by 2 into sun x minus y by 2. Plus it will have negative part because boss ignores the work done by sun. This two part is clear. Since the boss is initiating the conversation, the right side will be either completely boss or completely sun. This was plus, so we made completely boss. This is negative, so we made completely sun. And since the sun work is ignored, this is a minus. Please remember this. In the second case, sun is asking for something. So when sun is asking for something, sun is on the left hand side, the right side will have both sun and boss component. So if you see, it has both sun and boss component. So when sun was asking for the addition, sun does the addition and boss does subtraction. When sun is asking for subtraction, sun does subtraction. So whatever sun is asking, sun is doing. The other part is done by boss. Sun is asking for subtraction, sun is doing subtraction part and boss is doing addition part. Let me repeat. In first two cases, boss is asking for the request. So right side will have either boss or sun because boss wants to do things alone and he ignores the part done by sun. So when he's asking for plus, boss is doing everything. When he's asking for negative, sun is doing everything and that part is ignored. Similarly, in case of sun, when sun is asking, sun is doing some part and boss is doing some part. Sun is asking for plus, sun is doing the plus part, boss is doing the negative part. Sun is asking for negative, sun is doing negative part and boss is doing plus part. Let me prove cos of x plus y, cos of x plus cos of y is equal to 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. To simplify, let me take x plus y by 2 is alpha and x minus y by 2 is beta. So we'll say x plus y by 2 is equal to alpha, or I'll say x plus y is equal to 2 alpha and x minus y by 2 is equal to beta, or I'll say x minus y is equal to 2 beta. From these equations, if I solve this, subtract this, I get 2y is equal to alpha minus beta into 2. So I'll get y is equal to alpha minus beta. And similarly, if you add these two equations, I get 2x is equal to 2 of alpha plus beta because y minus y is gone. So x is equal to alpha plus beta. So I have got x is equal to alpha plus beta and y is equal to alpha minus beta. So this left hand side I can write in this form cos of alpha plus cos of beta. x is equal to alpha plus beta by 2, alpha plus beta, and y is equal to alpha minus beta. So I say cos of LHS, I am writing LHS, x is equal to alpha plus beta plus cos of alpha minus beta. Now we know that cos of A plus cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. We know this. We know this formula. I'll write here this formula. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, the whole thing, this is equal to 2 of cos of A and cos of B. We know this formula. So here alpha is equal to A and beta is equal to B. So this is equal to 2 of cos of alpha and cos of beta. Now this is equal to 2 of cos alpha is nothing but x plus y by 2. So x plus y by 2, replace alpha is x plus y by 2 into cos of beta. So beta is nothing but x of minus y by 2, x minus y by 2. And that's what we have proved. This is the RH. So we have proved that cos of x plus cos of y is equal to 2 of cos x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. Similarly, we have to prove again cos of x minus cos of y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 and sin of x minus y by 2. So here also we'll take this alpha and we'll take this as beta. So we have x plus y by 2 as alpha and x minus y by 2 as beta. So when you again here solve this, I'll solve again. X plus y is equal to 2 alpha and x minus y is equal to 2 beta. You add this, you get 2x is equal to 2 of alpha plus beta, or you get x is equal to alpha plus beta, first equation. Here you are adding, now you subtract this, so you get 2y is equal to 2 of alpha minus beta, or you say y is equal to alpha minus beta. It's the second equation. Now we have LHS. This guy is equal to cos of x minus cos of y. So here we see cos, that means request is generated by boss. So we'll say x is equal to alpha plus beta. So we'll say cos of alpha plus beta minus cos of alpha minus beta. So we know that this cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, this is nothing but 2 of sin A, sin alpha, sin beta, and this is minus. We have seen this in the last video that cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B is equal to minus 2 sin A, sin B. So this becomes minus 2 sin alpha, we can say is equal to x plus y by 2. This is x plus y by 2, and similarly sin of beta. So beta is nothing but x minus y by 2, and this is minus. So we have proved this equation. Similarly, let's take this sin of x plus sin of y is equal to sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Here also we'll do the same thing. This will take alpha, this will take beta. So that is x plus y by 2 is equal to alpha and x minus y by 2 is equal to beta. So we get x is equal to alpha plus beta and y is equal to alpha minus beta. This is equation we have derived in the last slide also. So sin LHS is nothing but sine of x plus sine of y. So this becomes sine of alpha plus beta plus sine of alpha minus beta. So this sine A plus B plus sine A minus B is equal to, we know this is equal to 2 sine of A and cos of B. We have done this in the last slide. So this becomes 2 sine of A. A we can say is nothing but alpha. Sorry, this is alpha and this is beta. So alpha is nothing but x plus y by 2. So this becomes x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. And thus we have proved this. Similarly, let's take the next slide. Sine of x minus y, sine of x minus sine of y is equal to 2 of cos x plus y by 2 into sine of x minus y by 2. Here also we'll follow the same approach. We'll take this as alpha, this as beta. So we'll say x plus y by 2 is equal to alpha and x minus y by 2 is equal to beta. When you solve this, you get x is equal to alpha plus beta and y is equal to alpha minus beta. We have done this. And now LHS is sine of x minus sine of y. So this becomes sine of alpha plus beta minus sine of alpha minus beta. So this we know is nothing but 2 of sine beta cos alpha. So this is 2 of sine beta is equal to x minus y by 2. So this becomes 2 of sine of x minus y by 2 into cos of cos alpha is equal to x plus y by 2. And that's the RHS. Now let's take an example. We have to prove that cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. So we know that cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is nothing but, or let's do this way. Let's use the formula which we have learned in the last example. That is cos of a plus cos of b is equal to 2 of cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. We can do anyway. This is the formula which we have learned in the last example. So let's use this. So this becomes cos of this LHS will become, this is a and this is b. This will becomes cos of pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x whole thing divided by 2. This is 2 into, this is 2 into cos of a minus b, that is pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4. This is minus x, this is minus x by 2. So this is plus x minus has gone and this is pi by 4 minus pi by 4 gone. So what you get here is 2 cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 cos of pi by 4 into cos of x, because this becomes 2x by 2 and pi by 8 pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4. So this becomes 2 of cos pi by 4. We know cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, we know this, and cos x is cos x. So this becomes root 2 cos of x, and that's our RHS. So we have proved it. What we have done, we have just used cos a plus cos b formula, and we know cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2. We have used this, expanded this, and we have got the answer. We could have also used cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. We could have expanded this. In that case, we were supposed to assume this is equal to a and this plus b, and that way also we could have got the. Thank you. Visit ExamFear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks and